I'm pretty sure that this is the top that I wore the very first time I shot any video for HGTV Handmade. Look how proud I am in this here photo from 2013. Welcome back to HGTV Handmade. We are now years deep into our making situation, and we've upgraded our projects to be so cute that this one DIY I'm about to show you will turn any room into the cutest little place you've ever been. Shout out to Kesha, shout out to craft stores everywhere, because we are going to make our very own neon sign that is also its own little like art installation lamp, and it's a rainbow. So cute. While you're watching the video, see if you can count how many pieces of tape I use in the tutorial, add them up, and leave them in a comment below, because that's like a little treasure hunt right there. Let's get started. You can use any color of EL wire or LED wire that you want, and I'm going with kind of classic Roy G. Biv rainbow style colors. You can also simplify the process by removing each of the individual EL wires from their power source and instead putting them on one power source. Oh, so much more streamlined. Now just add some batteries in there, and then before you start the project, test to make sure that this guy works. Yay! Lay down some scrap paper because we are going to paint our box. Now if you got a box that is in the perfect color, you can totally skip this step. I am upcycling a box, and so I am painting it a nice acrylic black. I want the box to sort of fade away into the distance and have the rainbow be what really stands out. Get all the sides and the crevices and everything on the base as well. Painting, painting, half my life is painting. Now place a ruler onto the center horizon line of your box. You're going to create a negative space right in the center that is 1 inch wide. Then make 5 marks with your pencil that are equidistant from each other in between those points. Bust out your power drill and go ahead and drill through each hole. You're going to want your drill to be absolutely perpendicular to your box so that your holes are nice and straight and clean. Okay, now we're on to our very last hole, making sure it's right on that pencil mark. All right, nice clean holes, and there's a little bit of the box shining through, so with a marker that matches the paint, clean up the holes with a little ch-ch-ch here and a ch-ch-ch there so that it looks nice and polished and fresh. Okay, now we have our first color, and we're gonna go through the holes that are closest to that little center space and make a little arch, and then put it back down. And look how cute, it's the beginning of a rainbow. All right, on the back, use masking tape to tape down the excess wire as clean as possible. And now start with your second color, and we're going up on one side, pulling straight, arching around the first color, and I want this space in between each color to be about the same space that I have for my holes on the box. And now our third color, arching around, and then tape down on the bottom. And oh my gosh, it's starting to look like a rainbow and it's cute. And you're gonna repeat this for all colors. You're gonna go ahead and sort of just work it with your fingers to make it hold up straight, and then tape down the excess wire on the bottom. I know the tape's not the cutest thing in the world, but I did try with hot glue and that did not work. That was even messier, so this is the way to go. Second to last color, pull your color through, arch it on over. Looks like a kind of crazy wire mess back here and I'm loving it. Last color. Now it feels a little messy and intense when you're at the very end and you have to tape it down, but just do your best to keep it clean on the underside of the box. And then if you have any twisty ties or clips, you can also condense that wire mess together with one of those twisty ties. Place all of your wires inside your box along with the power source, and voila! A rainbow neon sign that is so cute and so fun. It brings a little touch of magic and whimsy to any room. I'm obsessed with this rainbow, and I think it is literally the cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. We made a neon sign that said love a few years ago right here on HGTV Handmade. Look how cute Gracie is. What are you guys gonna do with this tutorial? Be sure to fill up the comment section, not only with the amount of tape that I use, but also with some fun ideas. Tune back in on Thursday for another awesome DIY video. Be sure to give the vid a thumbs up if you're digging neon signs and this trend. Subscribe to HGTV Handmade, and I will see you guys later.